Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the DCI number 3105 BRZ. This is a cast 5-inch kickdown door holder in a sprayed bronze finish. They also make this in an SA for the sprayed aluminum finish, and the cast is a cast iron, which means that it's going to be heavy, certainly. And a lot of people equate heavy weight to heavy duty, and I would sure not disagree that this item will certainly prove to be a faithful sort of piece of hardware when it comes to reliably holding your door open. This is the 5-inch version. What that really is a reference to is the dimension from the center line of the pivoting axis down to the bottom of the arm when it is in its proper drop down or hold open position. 5-inch is what this model, the 3105. 3104 is going to be the same item, just in a 4-inch version. Same two finishes are available. You'll notice this horn that's here, and it will, when you rotate that up, allow you to perform the hold open function via that flat spring that's there. Okay. And that will reliably stay in the top position until you use your foot and kick it back down. Now, why you would want a 5-inch version versus a common 4-inch would be very likely because you have a greater undercut under the door, but not necessarily when the door is closed. You'll have likely a typical undercut, but of course when you get the door to the hold open 90, 100, 170 degree position, you might have some dimension there that is from the bottom of the door to where you're going to be having the hold open make contact with the floor. You probably have greater dimension there because your concrete may slope away naturally from the door. That would be certainly ideal. So you might want something a little bit larger, and before you choose one, be sure to measure the distance that you need to attach the item to down to the floor when you're going to be in that hold open position. Don't look at the door in the closed position, assume the standard will work. It may not. You might need the longer one. You're going to have the mounting plate. It's going to be 2 1/8 tall, and it's going to be 1.5 inches wide. A projection of the unit when it's in the hold open position is going to be somewhere in the range, we're just going to guess that on the camera, of about 3.5 inches. This is going to be the RS, the replacement, the DCI RS replacement stop. That just threads in. It's literally how that works, and there is a link below this video to the replacement stop, so you can purchase that. If you have a high volume application, or even moderate, I would suggest that you immediately buy a replacement stop or two, put them on the shelf or in the drawer, whatever the case might be, because these do wear, is the bottom line, and it won't take very long in a high volume application to have that wear. By the way, screws are included in a complementary finish for those 4 areas where you will need it. Look like number 8x1 oval head sheet metal screws is what those appear to be. You're going to want to install this so that you make full contact with the floor. I see installations where it tips down like this or is not fully brought down, and that will wear the unit out generally, because you only have a little bit of movement once you kick the door open and the closer starts to try to close the door, especially when you're not making full contact, full surface area contact, so you'll want to try to accomplish that. Okay. DCI is a name synonymous with good quality trim and auxiliary hardware. You may never have heard of them, but if you haven't, I would strongly suggest that you review not only the link below this video to the cut sheet, but the link below this video to the manufacturer's page, where you can pull up not only all of the DCI products that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. The DCI product line is relatively petite in its footprint, but what they do is they bring to market a significantly deep inventory of those items that they sell. They are able to put the material into shipping incredibly quick, and that is all backed by exceptional customer service and at least as good technical support. So give them a try. A small project, large project. I think what you're going to find is material that you're already quite familiar with when you purchase from DCI. And again, backed by exceptional customer service. If you have any questions on the DCI number 3105 in that sprayed bronze finish or any other DCI product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.